Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on making YouTube thumbnails using Canva. YouTube thumbnails are essential for attracting viewers to your videos, and Canva offers powerful tools to help you create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out in search results. So, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Canva dashboards. So, choosing the right template. Now, here we have to search for the YouTube thumbnails. Here are some YouTube thumbnails. You have to select your thumbnail whichever you like it, and then you have to start customizing it. Let's take this one. Now here's the thing. First of all, we are going to customize a ready-made template which is easy and quick. After that, I'll be teaching you how to customize your own template using blank page. Making templates on a blank page is quite hectic. Don't you worry, I got you. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step everything that you need to know about Canva. So first, I'll change this text. I'll delete it first, this. Now here we can adjust its size. Now this is perfect. Here if you want to change the background, you can change it by clicking on this background color. If you want black or this, or if you want to select like this, you can do it. So I'll be selecting this color. Perfect. Now, if you want to add some elements, you can go to the element section and you can search for stickers, banners, ribbons, arrows, or logo, whatever you want to. So first I'll go for this rectangular. White rectangle. There you go. Now we can change its position. We can make it backward now. If you want to change this picture or you want to add some more picture, you can click on this upload section. Here, go to the upload files and select that particular picture that you want in your thumbnail. So I'm not selecting any picture, I'll keep this only. Now again I'll come back to the element section and then I'll be choosing some logos. Here I'll be choosing Canva logo. Then I'll be choosing YouTube logo. Here you go. We can change its color also, so I'll be changing it in red. Now I'll be searching for arrow. Let's take this arrow. So here we have easily customized our template. Now here we have customized our template. Moving forward, we have to click on home page. So here's our home page, and then on the left hand side we have to click create a design, and then we have to search for YouTube thumbnail. Now here's a point. So let me tell you, those who don't know about the YouTube thumbnails, they are always 1280px by 720px, and this is the size you have to choose for the thumbnail. Some people also try 1920px by 1080px, but that is not the official size of the YouTube thumbnail. You have to remember that it is always 1280px by 720px. So now we have taken the blank sheet for preparation of YouTube thumbnail. Now first take the background color. Let's click on the background color. You have to click on the blank page, then you'll see here background color. You have to click on it. So I'll prefer you always choose dark color for the background. So let's choose I'll go for this. After that, now I'm going to upload some images. So I've already downloaded the image. For uploading picture, go to upload section. Here you have to click on upload files, and you have to select the picture that you have downloaded. Click on this picture. There you go. Now I'll be adding some text into it, so I'll be choosing subheading, and here I'm going to type how to make YouTube thumbnails by Canva. So here you go. We can increase its size by clicking plus sign. After that, we can adjust it. So I'll be changing it font. So you can choose a font, whatever you like it. So I'll choose this one, and after that I'll bold it. There you go. Let me make it more bigger. This looks perfect now. I'm going to modify it by just expanding. Let's go. And now I'll be needing YouTube logo. So let's find out YouTube logo then. So guys, if you have a pro version, you will be able to access all these stickers, graphics, photos. I'll be choosing this one. Make it like this. Now I'll be adding arrow, so we have to search for the arrow. I have taken this one. Now we can change the color also, so I have to click on here and then I'll be choosing it to white, and then I'll be searching for Canva logo. There you go. Now this looks perfect. Let's add some animate into it. So we'll click on animate. So I'll choose, so let's choose this one. There you go. Let's add some subscribe button also. There you go, you have learned how to create YouTube thumbnails using Canva. So experiment with these techniques to create your own thumbnails that attract viewers and increase your engagement to your videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.